Hey, what's up guys? This is an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S3 in marble white. Pretty minimalist packaging, plain white cover with some information about the phone on the back, HSDPA, Edge and GPRS, quad-core CPU, Full HD 1080p playback and recording, 4.8-inch Super HD AMOLED screen and 8 megapixel autofocus camera. And inside the box, the first thing that strikes me about the phone, having used an iPhone since the first generation, is the size of the screen. It just seems massive compared to the iPhone screen. Again, there, quad-core CPU, Android technology. At the top there you can see the front-facing camera, and on the back at the bottom you can see the micro USB port, and at the top is the flash, the rear-facing camera and the external speaker. Going back inside the box, we can see the quick start guide and the warranty card, a standard USB to micro USB cable, some Samsung branded earphones, and the earbuds, the battery, and again it seems a little bit strange having a phone with a removable battery, having used an iPhone for the last 4 years. And finally the mains plug. On the front there, it's obviously dominated by the massive screen, and at the bottom you can just see the home button there. And then the back of the phone is very plain, Samsung logo there at the top, just below the speaker and the camera, and it has a very glossy white finish to the back. It feels really good in the hand. It feels a little bit large at first, but that's probably just because I'm so used to carrying an iPhone. So taking off the back, inside there at the top again we can see the flash, the camera and the external speaker, and below that is the battery compartment, and then at the bottom is a slot for a SIM card and a micro SD slot. The Galaxy S3 has 16 gigabytes of internal memory, and you can expand that with a SD card. So just putting in the battery there for the first time.